Integrate Edificius with EdiLus. You have the architectural model in EdiLus. You can choose which entities to view. Set a level of transparency when viewing the structure. View only certain floor levels. Automatically detect the beams using Edificius. And from Plan View, insert the structural elements. Auto detect stir objects too. And take advantage of the snap aids on the structure model even in 3D view. You can model the rooftop structure by auto-detecting its elements from the architectural model. Integrate the structural model in the Edificius architectural model.